Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. And in this video, we were talking about what is the input function of the C language, C programming language. What is the input function of the C programming language? First of all, we discuss what is the input function. Input, for example, what is the first of all we discuss what is the output function. I write printf. Uh, printf is a output function which give us output for us. For example, we says first of all we write a structure of C programming language stdio.h, and then we write integer min for first execution, and then we write printf this, for example. Or always I use I am a programmer. As we know that printf is a output function which give us output. For example, it give us output I am a programmer. Oh, by mistake I write spelling of studio is wrong, but printf is a output function which give us output. In C language, any input function is held which give us input. For example, our user is held to print or to enter something. So answer is absolutely yes. One is the most important and useful function is scanf function. It is a input function. Scanf function is a input function. For example, I want to write. For example, I want to take input with integer form. For example, enter a number. I say user enter a number, and then I declare a variable integer a. Integer a is a container which are capable to contain any integer value. If we write scanf is an output. Scanf is an input function which give us access to our user is capable to enter any value. Previous video we were talking about in printf, if we write any integer value, we use percentage d. So similarly, I write percentage d and comma and container a. Right. In this time, our user is capable to enter any number. For example, I run this program and then enter a number. I am capable to enter any integer variable. If we enter 8, we see in computer I see 8. So with the help of scanf, our user is capable to enter anything. In this time we want to, but one issue is held in this program is when we use scanf function, always write ampersand, because ampersand is so important. Without ampersand, what problem we face? We can't see you. For example, in this time our user is capable to enter any integer variable. If we want to print those type of number which our user is enter, so we write percentage d comma a. You entered, for example, you entered percentage d comma a. Percentage d means you enter a number. This number is a. When the user enter any number, those type of number is safe or save in container a, and this container help us to give us what is the number which our user is print. So run this program and see what is the output of this program. For example, enter a number. If we say 7, so our program is not successfully run. Second time we say we write 8, our program is not successfully run, because in C language it is a rule, you for understanding purpose, you write ampersand. When we use a scanf, you write ampersand. It is necessary for us. Another video we were talking about what is ampersand in detail, but you understand ampersand is very important when we take input with user and use a scanf function. In this time we enter any number. You see, you enter 6, successfully run. If we want to print any floating point data, for example, we declare float container B. If we want to print any float container, previous video we were talking about what is multi comment, so we use multi comment slash star star slash, and then we write printf. I see you. What is the output of this program? So sorry. If in this program, if we write any floating point data, what is the output of this program? You see, compiler is neglect 0.9. After point any digit, compiler is neglect because it is a variable of integer. If we want to print any floating point data, first of all you want to declare floating point of floating container, and then you want to printf enter a number. We say user enter a number, and then user is capable to print anything. User is capable to print any number. We use for floating point data, it is a floating point data, we write %f. Previous video we were talking about %f, %d, %c. It is normally, and we write %f and %. Ampersand is necessary for us because it is a rule for only understanding purpose. Next video or after some videos or another videos, we were talking about what is mean by ampersand in detail. %f and I write %b. I run the program, and in this time we are capable to print floating point data, but it is not print 8.7 output because we can't print a number. We use printf function for give us output. You entered %f comma b. In this time, if we run this program and write 7.9, see 7.900000 print. In this time, you are capable to make a lot of programs. You are capable to make a lot of program. I give you a task. This task is simply task. Write a program. You write a simple program. Write a program to take 10 digits. With user. Write a program to take 10 digits with user. It is a simple program. You can do it. You are, for example, if you want to take 10 integer value, you are declared 10 variable, integer a, integer b, integer c. First of all, we comment float b, integer b, integer c, integer d, e, f, g, h, I, J 10 integer, and then you print. First of all, in this time we print percentage a, and copy paste this program 10 times. For example, I copied this program and paste. You doing percentage and percent b, and then in this time c. If we run this program, oh, I'm so sorry, it gave us error because we write this question. If we run this program, it again give us error. Why? Oh, dot is not allowed to declare any variable. 8 9 8. I write declare 3 variable and take 3 number with user. Your program is print 10 times and take 10 times integer value or floating point value with user. I hope you are doing this task very well, very best way. And in this video I talking about one program. One is the most important program is, for example, we declare integer, we declare float, we declare integer variable, we declare float variable. If we declare any character, for example character c, so our user is capable to enter any character, yes or no? Pause this video and give your comment. It is necessary, it is possible to take data with the type of character, yes or no? Please enter. And I hope your comment is held in comment box. Your comment is comment box, and then I take a character with user. For example, enter a favorite character. I say user enter a favorite character. By the way, if line is closed, so we write this program in this way, in this manner. It is normally legal, no can any issue we face. Enter a favorite character. I say with user, I say of user enter a favorite character, and then I write input function percentage. For integer we write percentage d. For float we write percentage f. For character what we write percentage c. And ampersand is so necessary for my program. And then we write c for container. If we user enter any character, this character save in this container, and we are capable to print this program. Your character is percentage c comma c. So I run this program and see what is the output of this program. It gave us some error. Why we give us some error? Why? I can't care vs. Oh, it gave us error because I declare same type of, in this time, integer c. We declare integer c and same time we declare character c. So it gave us error because we can't declare any repeated container name with any different integer values. Run this program. Enter a favorite character. For example, my favorite character is M. So your character is M, or it is the best way to write your favorite character is M. For example, I write M and your favorite character is M. See this program. See this program and try to understand this program very well. It is not a different case. Just like printf, we declare scanf function. Scanf function is used to take any input with user, and for example, we take integer input, we use %d. We take floating point input, we use %f, whereas %f we use %f. It is not legal to take any repeated variable name with different types of variable. So for floating point data we declare %f. For character we declare %c. If we want to take any character with user, we use %c. You are capable to make most of the program. In this program you are I give you a simple task. In this video I give you a lot of tasks. First task is take 10 floating point data with user. Second task is write a program to take 10 different digit with user. It is very simple program. You use scanf function, 10 different integer value, but we erase different 10 integer value. You take user, you declare 10 variable name ABCD or XYZ. You take any type of name which is suitable, and then you take input with user and then print and simply print. I hope this is very simple program, and you give me your program in comment box. Allah Hafiz. Take care of your life. Allah Hafiz. Finish my video. Allah.